A quick and easy pattern is the garter stitch pattern. It's very effective and looks fabulous in a scarf. To make this scarf over the weekend, all you need is a Rowan's Big Wool. This is a 20 ply wool, or a super bulky, super chunky wool. What's perfect with wool is a size 10 millimeter needle or size 15 in US. You will only need 3 balls of this to complete a lovely long scarf of 115 centimeters. Cast on 26 stitches, or if you'd like a narrow scarf, cast on 10 stitches. I hope you enjoy it. It's actually lots of fun to make. Once you have the desired number of stitches, it's time to start with the garter stitch. This time you go through the middle of the stitch, wrap the wool around in between both of the knitting needles, gently push the needle through and slide onto your second needle. Go through the stitch, wool forward and towards you, gently push the wool through, and now your stitch is on your second needle. Once you get the hang of it, it's very simple and easy to knit anything. Once you have the desired length of your scarf, simply cast off.